Hi kids! Now we are going to learn farm animals and its use. Some farm animals are cow, donkey, cock, pig, sheep, hen and goat. Farm animals gives us dairy products, egg, manure production, meat, silk and honey. Bye kids.